Guys, so today we're going to be doing this quick install from Hairro. This is their 10-inch bob unit. They have a small piece of lace at the top to give it a natural look. The construction is very nice, breathable. It has a comb on each side, one in the back, and an adjustable band so that it can fit any size. The installation of this is so simple, almost really like a straight out of the box install. As you see here, I'm just applying it, combing her out, getting her right so I can get her tight. You guys, this is really just a kind of more so of a put on and go. All you have to do is just flat iron her out because she's a little folded up from the packaging, and you're good to go. Quick, easy install. It takes heat very well. As you see, it's really getting straight. Not too many passes are needed. I just took my hot comb just to flatten out the top just a little bit. I mean, this really is just an easy install, very beginner friendly, or somebody who's new to wigs and don't know how to do much. This is definitely a unit for you. This hair was so soft. It just took well, just really easy to work with. Such a cute look. This is a unit that's just good to have. You just can never go wrong with the bob. You can kind of see the detail of the cut from the back. A lot of body, definitely not stuck. Like I said, this is 10 inches by Hairro. Thanks for watching.